Eliskandi ingoma kaMazili leyaceda kuyidropha boma last week. Le ngoma ihlanganisa ama-elements welikompo nama-elements wemaskandi and then kuphume eliskandi. Hey, le ngoma yenza amasimba ngapha ku-TikTok. Abezulu nje babhizi bayayidansela bayayijabulela le ngoma. Banamapedi ngapha nabo bajabulile nje ukuthi hayi le ngoma ngathi yaba-unite. Le ngoma ngathi yaba-unite nje yabahlanganisa nje cause angifuni ukucamba amanga iyashisa le ngoma and ayinawo ama-vocals, i-beat nje edlalayo kodwa nje le beat ikhuluma nawe nje yabo lama-elements wemaskandi nje uyayizwa mase ingena nje khuphuka ngalo shumi emaskandi nje uyayifila nawe ukuthi okay manje se-KZN manje. Uthi usamamela yibuya ngapha eLimpopo futhi manje seyilikompo. Uthi usamamela iLimpopo yibuyele futhi e-KZN. So into engizama ukuyisho nje ukuthi hayi uMazili uyasazi isitori sakhe, uyayazi into ayenzayo. Le ngoma iyashisa, abantu bajabulile, e-KZN bajabulile, eLimpopo amapedi bajabulile, the Pedi people are happy, Zulu people are happy. And bajabula nje ukuthi bayahlangana nje khona into ebahlanganisayo manje bajabule ba-celebrate into eyi-one. Nami that's what excites me the most ukuthi kuyajabulwa manje ku-celebrate into eyi-one cause le ngoma le liskandi isha ngapha nangapha e-KZN yabathinta nangapha yabathinta.
You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandi, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye-bye, ngiyakuthanda.